Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming world of farmhouse Christmas decorating. If you love the cozy rustic charm of farmhouse style combined with festive holiday spirit, you're in the right place. We'll explore every corner of your home, from the welcoming exterior to intimate interior spaces, showing you how to create that perfect blend of vintage charm and Christmas magic. Before we begin this beautiful journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite farmhouse Christmas tradition. Let's get started. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for the entire Christmas experience. Start with a classic approach using fresh greenery garlands draped along the roofline and porch railings. Incorporate oversized lanterns with pillar candles on either side of your front door for that warm, inviting glow. Consider a simple wreath made from natural elements like pine, eucalyptus, and cotton stems. White string lights create a magical shimmer without overwhelming the rustic aesthetic. Add vintage wooden crates filled with evergreen branches and red berries near your entrance. The key is keeping it simple, natural, and authentically farmhouse while letting the architecture shine through with understated holiday elegance. Your entryway deserves special attention during the holidays. Hang an oversized evergreen wreath above your coat rack, intertwining it with plaid ribbon and small pine cones. Style your console table with a galvanized metal tray, holding vintage candlesticks and miniature bottle brush trees. Place a weathered wooden bench with cozy plaid cushions and throw pillows for seating. Add a round farmhouse mirror with a simple greenery garland draped across the top. Your shoe cabinet can display a small wooden sign with holiday greetings. Layer a jute rug with a festive doormat featuring classic Christmas typography. Incorporate hooks for hanging stockings or decorative mittens, creating functional beauty that welcomes guests with farmhouse charm. Transform your living room into a Christmas sanctuary with layered textures and natural elements. Anchor the space with a neutral sofa dressed in chunky knit throw blankets and plaid pillows in traditional red, green, and cream. Your coffee table becomes a focal point with a wooden dough bowl filled with fresh greenery, pine cones, and mercury glass ornaments. Flank your fireplace with matching stockings hung from antique hooks or a reclaimed wood mantel beam. Consider shiplap or exposed brick as your backdrop, decorated minimally to let architectural features shine. Add vintage wooden crates as side tables, topped with mason jars filled with fairy lights. The balance between comfort and style creates perfect holiday living. Your mantel deserves to be the star of your farmhouse Christmas living room. Start with a fresh garland base, draping it naturally across the length. Layer in eucalyptus sprigs, white berries, and dried orange slices for texture and visual interest. Incorporate varying heights with candlesticks in different finishes. Pewter, brass, and white ceramic work beautifully together. Add vintage finds like old books, small galvanized buckets, or antique scales as unique accents. Wooden signs with hand-lettered holiday phrases bring personal charm. Keep the color palette cohesive with whites, creams, natural wood tones, and touches of evergreen. Remember, asymmetrical balance creates more authentic farmhouse appeal than perfect symmetry. Choose a full, traditional green tree, or embrace the modern farmhouse trend with a flocked tree for snowy charm. Decorate using a neutral palette with wooden ornaments, buffalo check ribbons, and natural elements like pine cones and cinnamon sticks. Incorporate galvanized metal stars, burlap garland, and simple white lights for that warm glow. Add personalized touches with wooden bead garlands and dried orange slice ornaments you can make yourself. Top your tree with a simple burlap bough or galvanized star, rather than elaborate toppers. Scatter presents wrapped in craft paper, tied with twine and fresh greenery sprigs underneath. The goal is organic, collected over time charm rather than matchy-matchy perfection. Your dining room becomes the centerpiece of holiday celebrations with thoughtful farmhouse styling. Start with your reclaimed wood table as the foundation, adding a table runner in natural linen or burlap. Create a stunning centerpiece using a long wooden tray or dough bowl filled with varying heights of candles, greenery, and natural elements. Incorporate white ceramic pitchers with evergreen branches and red berries. Layer in vintage brass candlesticks and mercury glass votives for ambient lighting. Consider place settings with simple white dishes, layered with natural woven chargers and plaid napkins tied with twine. Wooden bead garland can drape across the table or chandelier. The key is creating warmth while maintaining functionality for actual dining. Elevate your Christmas dining experience with carefully curated details that showcase farmhouse charm. Use natural elements as place card holders. Small pine cones with names written on wooden tags work beautifully. Incorporate mini wreaths at each place setting or tuck sprigs of rosemary into napkin rings as aromatic, natural touches. Vintage mason jars serve as perfect water glasses, while enamelware adds authentic farmhouse appeal. Create a layered look with different textures. Linen napkins, wooden chargers, and simple white plates keep it cohesive. Add small brass bells or vintage ornaments as take-home favors for guests. These thoughtful details transform an ordinary meal into a memorable holiday gathering that feels both elegant and comfortable. Your kitchen naturally becomes the hub during Christmas, so style it accordingly with functional beauty. Drape fresh garland across upper cabinet edges, keeping it away from cooking areas. Style open shelving with white ironstone mixed with evergreen sprigs and small decorative touches. Your refrigerator can wear a simple wreath or a vintage-inspired magnetic calendar, displaying holiday countdown. Above the stove, hang a simple wooden sign or small wreath. Display a collection of vintage rolling pins or wooden spoons in a galvanized container on the counter. The coffee station gets special attention with a small bottle brush tree, festive mugs on hooks, and a hand-lettered sign. Keep decorations practical, allowing full kitchen functionality while adding holiday spirit. Transform kitchen cabinets into subtle holiday displays without overwhelming the space. Swap regular cabinet hardware for vintage-inspired pulls if you're feeling adventurous, or simply add small wreaths to glass front cabinets. Inside glass cabinets, arrange white dishes interspersed with small evergreen sprigs and red berry picks. Open shelving becomes a display opportunity with white serving pieces, vintage cookie jars, and small decorative elements. Consider removing some everyday items to create space for seasonal displays. Add a garland along the top of cabinets, draping naturally with battery-operated lights woven through. Small touches like dish towels and festive plaids hung from the oven handle bring cohesive holiday charm throughout your most used space. The family room embraces casual comfort with Farmhouse Christmas charm perfect for everyday living. Arrange seating around your flat-screen TV with plenty of cozy textiles, chunky knit blankets, faux fur throws, and plaid pillows in holiday colors. Create a hot cocoa station on a vintage cart with mugs, marshmallows, and festive napkins. Style floating shelves or built-ins around the TV with small decorative trees, framed holiday prints, and natural elements. A large basket filled with extra blankets doubles as decor and functionality. Consider a smaller second Christmas tree in this space with more personal, family-focused ornaments. The atmosphere should feel lived in and welcoming, where family actually gathers rather than a showroom nobody touches. Your home office deserves holiday cheer while maintaining productive functionality. Start with your desk accessories. Swap in a small vintage radio styled with a mini bottle brush tree on top. Add a unique small desk clock with brass or wooden details that fits the farmhouse aesthetic. Create a small vignette with stacked vintage books, a small succulent in a galvanized pot, and a mercury glass ornament. Hang a simple wreath above your desk or on your office door using natural materials. A buffalo check desk pad or mouse pad brings subtle pattern. Keep fresh greenery in a mason jar on your desk for natural fragrance. Wall-mounted wooden organizers can hold Christmas cards you've received, keeping them visible and appreciated throughout the season. Transform your reading nook into the ultimate Christmas retreat with layers of comfort and charm. Position your favorite armchair near natural light, dressing it with a chunky cable knit throw and plaid pillows. Add a small side table with a vintage lamp, current read, and steaming mug space. Hang a small wreath in the window or drape battery-operated lights around the frame for evening ambience. Place a small basket nearby filled with extra throws and holiday books. A wooden ladder leaning against the wall displays quilts or serves as a unique Christmas card holder. The floor deserves a sheepskin or faux fur rug for added coziness. This becomes your personal sanctuary for quiet Christmas moments with hot cocoa and holiday stories. Create a tranquil Christmas bedroom that promotes restful sleep while embracing holiday spirit. Layer your bed with white or cream linens, adding plaid or Fair Isle pattern throw blankets at the foot. Style your nightstands with small bottle brush trees, vintage alarm clocks, and white ceramic pitchers holding evergreen sprigs. Hang a simple evergreen wreath above the bed or against your headboard using removable hooks. Switch out regular pillows for ones in festive patterns or add decorative shams in buffalo check. A wooden bench at the foot of the bed holds extra blankets in a galvanized basket. Keep bedroom Christmas decor minimal and calming. This space should feel like a peaceful retreat from holiday busyness. Prepare your guest bedroom for Christmas visitors with thoughtful farmhouse touches that make them feel special. Make the bed with fresh linens, adding a folded quilt in traditional patterns at the foot. Place a welcome basket on the dresser with travel-sized essentials, local treats, and a handwritten note. Style surfaces with small holiday touches, a mini wreath, simple candle, and fresh flowers or greenery in a mason jar. Provide a luggage rack or vintage chair for suitcase placement. Hang a simple evergreen garland around the mirror or window. Add extra blankets in a visible basket and ensure drawer space is cleared. A small chalkboard with a welcome message adds personal charm. These details show guests they're truly valued during the holiday season. Elevate your bathroom with subtle Christmas touches that feel spa-like and luxurious. Swap regular hand towels for plaid or embroidered holiday versions hung on vintage hooks or a ladder towel rack. Style the Wastafel counter with a wooden tray holding white soap dispensers, a small succulent, and rolled hand towels tied with twine. Hang a small eucalyptus and pine wreath above the mirror or on the bathroom door. In the shower area, hang a fresh eucalyptus bundle from the shower head for aromatic steam therapy. Place a small galvanized tray with luxury soaps and a candle near the bathtub. A wooden stool holds extra rolled towels and a small potted evergreen. Keep it simple, functional, and clean while adding those special seasonal details. Don't neglect your garage during the Christmas season. It's prime storage and workspace. Install pegboard walls painted in classic farmhouse colors to organize tools and holiday decoration storage. Use galvanized metal buckets and vintage wooden crates for categorizing Christmas items, lights, ornaments, outdoor decorations. Label everything with rustic wooden tags for easy identification next year. Create a dedicated wrapping station on a workbench with ribbon spools hung on dowels, rolls of craft paper, and organized supplies in mason jars. Hang a small wreath on the interior garage door as a welcoming touch. Open metal shelving with wire baskets keeps everything visible and accessible. A well-organized garage makes decorating easier and maintains the farmhouse aesthetic throughout your entire property. Extend your living space outdoors with a beautifully styled Christmas patio that embraces farmhouse charm. Arrange weather-resistant furniture with plaid cushions and cable-knit throw pillows for warmth. String cafe lights overhead creating magical evening ambience. Style a console table or potting bench with lanterns, greenery, and battery-operated candles. Large galvanized buckets filled with evergreen branches and red berry stems frame the entrance. Add a vintage wooden sled as decorative art leaning against the wall. Consider an outdoor rug in a classic pattern to define the space. A metal drink tub styled as an ice-filled beverage station serves guests. Hang wreaths on exterior windows visible from the patio, creating cohesive flow between indoor and outdoor Christmas celebrations. Create an irresistible front porch sitting area that invites neighbors and guests to pause and enjoy. Arrange rocking chairs or a porch swing with weather-resistant pillows in Christmas plaids and neutral patterns. Add vintage blankets in a galvanized tub for chilly evening sitting. Style a small side table with a lantern, thermos of hot cider, and Christmas mugs ready for spontaneous gatherings. Hang stockings along the porch railing, stuffed with greenery and berries. Large potted evergreens in vintage crocks flank the seating area. Add a doormat with cheerful holiday greetings and ensure pathway lighting guides guests safely. This space becomes an extension of your home's welcoming nature, embodying the farmhouse spirit of hospitality and simple seasonal pleasures. Congratulations on creating a complete farmhouse Christmas haven. Remember, the key to authentic farmhouse holiday style is layering natural elements, embracing imperfection, and choosing meaningful pieces over matching sets. Start with neutral foundations and build with texture, greenery, and personal touches collected over time. Don't feel pressured to decorate every surface. Intentional empty space allows your carefully chosen pieces to shine. Focus on creating warm, functional spaces where family actually gathers and memories are made. The beauty of farmhouse style lies in its lived-in comfort and welcoming nature. If you love these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends planning their holiday decorating. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more inspiring content, and comment below with your favorite farmhouse Christmas tip. Happy decorating, and may your home be filled with cozy rustic charm this holiday season.